pixie coils are boring? Give me the next few minutes and I will show you how this short wig transforms from simple to absolutely stunning. Hi beauties, welcome back to Beauty and Beyonds with Goody, where we make looking good easy, stylish and effortless. Today's style is the gorgeous pixie cut wig. One thing I love about pixie cut wigs is how low maintenance they are while giving a classy and confident look. First, I'm gently hot combing the frontal backward to give a wig fitting and make sure every strand sits perfectly. With Pixie, less is more. You don't need too much product or too much manipulation. I have already applied a small amount of styling mousse to keep definition and keep everything in one place. Now watch the magic happen. I'm using a small size coily rod to give this unique styling that you will see at the end of the video. And just like that, this pixie cut will give basic to effortlessly chic. If you are looking for a wig that is stylish, lightweight and perfect for everyday wear, a pixie cut wig is definitely a must-have. Tell me in the comments, would you wear a pixie cut wig? Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification for more wig styling tips and transformation from Beauty and Beyond with Goody. See you in the next video.